Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to change your ad account on the Instagram app, particularly for those of you that use an Android device. Don't forget, because of the new iOS charges, we always recommend use your Meta Business Suite app to run your Instagram ads, or maybe you could use the Meta Ads Manager mobile app. But in this video we're going to focus on how to change your ad account on Instagram because of the new changes on the Instagram app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So let's jump right straight in. So you launch the Instagram app. Next, you visit your profile at the bottom right. Next, you click on the menu button, the three line at the top right corner. Next, you click on Insights. Next, you click on the settings icon at the top right. Next, you click on Ads Payment. Don't forget, under our best practices, this must be connected to a Meta Business portfolio, and inside of the Meta Business portfolio, your Instagram professional account should be linked there. All right. And once it's linked there, make sure you add or assign an ad account to the Instagram account under the connected asset feature. We made a video about this, so make sure you visit the description section of this video. We're going to provide more resources that would help you succeed with Instagram and Facebook advertising. Before we move forward again, make sure you also have your Facebook mobile app installed already, the main Facebook mobile app. Then log in your account. After logging your account, ensure that the account that is currently active is your personal profile. Make sure the Facebook page is not switched while doing all of this, okay? So now, in order for you to change your ad account, you simply click on Switch Ad Account, all right? So you click on Switch Ad Account. So this is how, then you click on Continue. This is how you could change your personal IG ad account. Maybe it could be a restricted ad account. This is how you could change it to another one, leveraging the setup we've done for you in most cases. All right. So next you click on Change Facebook ad account. So these are all the ad accounts you can use. So you can see. So we're going to select Official Gwrite. Then click on Done. Then click on Continue. So don't forget, if you're using an iPhone, and you want to avoid paying the extra 30% charge or even more to iOS, you could simply use the Meta Business Suite to run your ads. But for Android users, once you're done switching your ad account, you're good to go. You can start boosting your posts on the Instagram app. All right, so if you need more help, kindly book a consultation to speak with one of our experts, or you contact us to help you get this done professionally. All right, guys, so let's go back. Our ad account has been updated. So this is a new update because, Meta always does lots of changes. Another way, you would still be able to find the ads payments, but this doesn't always show up for everyone. You're going to see it here. There's ads payments, but not everyone might be able to see this. So take note of that. So you could still come here and click on Switch Ad Account. So for Android users, you could continue to boost, select any post you want to boost. Once you select, you click on Boost Post. But for iPhone users, strongly recommend use the Meta Business Suite app to run your ads. Kindly visit the description section for more resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So before we go, I just need to make this video. So this is another way you could find insights. So you click on your profile picture at the bottom right, just as we've showed you. Next, you click on the three lines or the menu button at the top right. Okay. Now, this is Insights. Don't forget you click on Insights. Then you click on Settings icon at the top right. Okay. Then you click on Ads Payment. So we are covering this because Instagram might change this stuff again. Another way you could visit Insights is to click on Account Type and Tools. Okay. So after you click there, you're going to see Insights. So you could click on Insights. Okay. Then you can now click on the settings icon at the top right. Then you're going to find ads payment. So we are showing you all the ways to find ads payment, just in case there are any changes. All right, guys. So don't forget, like and share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. Cheers.